Type and positioning. A compact luxury electric SUV, crossover, designed for daily use and long trips. Sort of a fully electric successor to the traditional BMW X3. Wikipedia battery and range uses BMW's 800-volt electrical architecture with a 108 kilowatt-hour battery. Wikipedia official figures show a very long range, up to around 805 kilometers, WLTP, on a single charge, approximately 400 miles EPA estimated, which is excellent for an EV of this size. BMW Malaysia plus 1 lightning bolt, charging ultra-fast, DC charging, up to 400 kilowatts, means the battery can go from approximately 10% to approximately 80% in about 20 to 21 minutes under ideal conditions. Wikipedia. AC charging is also supported, like up to approximately 11 kilowatts for home charging. Performance. With dual electric motors and AWD, the iX3 develops a lot of power, around 345 kilowatts slash approximately 469 horsepower, and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 4.9 seconds. BMW Malaysia plus 1. Top speed is electronically limited, about 210 kilometers per hour slash approximately 130 miles per hour. Die-well tech and features packed with modern tech like BMW's panoramic iDrive system and a huge panoramic display stretching across the dashboard. Wikipedia offers smart energy functions such as vehicle-to-home, V2H, and vehicle-to-grid, V2G, charging in some markets. Wikipedia.